So if you're running ads for a local business and they have multiple suburbs with a landing page for each suburb, and you've tried a campaign strategy where you have one campaign per suburb and that didn't work, and then you try one ad group per suburb inside of one campaign and that didn't work, then what you can do is use a dynamic search ad for those local suburb pages. And what we're finding across some accounts is that the DSA for suburbs is actually improving the click-through rates and it's improving the conversion rates as well, as opposed to just sending people to the individual suburb pages, right? With the other two strategies that I just mentioned. And the way you set it up is very, very simple. So what you'll do is create a standard campaign, and inside of that campaign, you're just going to create a dynamic ad group or dynamic search ad, right? So all you need to do is click on the plus button, and instead of doing a standard ad group, you do a dynamic ad group type, right? So I'm not going to go into that. I'm going to go back. And inside of this dynamic search ad, all you're going to do with the dynamic targets is set them to the actual landing pages for each suburb. And what this is going to do is basically the ads bot is going to crawl each of these pages, find relevant keywords that people may be searching for these services, and it's going to come up with the headlines for these depending on each landing page. So it's quite simple, and what we're finding is it's worth testing in all of your accounts, because if it's got a 50-50 chance to work better than what you're doing now, why not try it, right? It makes a lot of sense. So you should already know how to set these up for the actual ad itself. So for the descriptions, you take your best 2 descriptions and add them there. Try to add numbers and psychology and power words and things like that, and that is it. So I hope that helps. Give it a go. I'm keen to see how you try it. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.